I'm Michael Van Abeck. I'm a professional photographer and a really keen cyclist. I also manage the non-medical side of a charity called Eyes for Africa. We go to Ethiopia each year and we run free cataract eye clinics in really remote areas for the rural poor who can't afford eye care. 11 years ago, at age 55, I was diagnosed with a rare incurable lymphoma called Waldenstrom's Maroglobulinemia. It's a slow-going cancer, so for 6 years I was okay and just on what is called watch and wait. But in 2011, my symptoms, especially my fatigue, became too much for me. So I had 6 cycles of chemotherapy. I got a partial response for about 12 months. In 2013, I became so sick again, I couldn't even walk up a short flight of stairs, let alone get on my bike. I tried 2 much stronger chemotherapies, but my body couldn't tolerate it. I kept ending up in the cancer ward at Wollongong Hospital. At one point, it looked like I wasn't going to make it out. I was desperate as I'd run out of options now. Fortunately, my haematologist was able to look up an app on her smartphone called ClinTrial Refer that listed all the clinical trials of drugs that are not available or funded by the Australian government. She found a trial of a novel therapy at Concord Hospital. Searching through the eligibility criteria on the app, she was confident I would be enrolled. Within weeks, I was registered on this trial of a new drug called ibrutinib, which has switched off the activity of my cancer cells. This drug has turned my life around. It's got my cancer in remission, and for the last 3 years, not only is my life back to normal, but I've been able to get back on my bike and train for and complete a Tap Australia race in the Snowy Mountains in December 2016. It was a gruelling 157 kilometres with 2,820 metres of climbing, similar to a one-day stage of the Tour de France. My life is normal now, but there's no guarantee that this cancer won't find a way around this drug. If that happens, I'll be looking up ClinTrial Refer app myself to see if there's any other drug trials that I can get on to. I'm grateful that ClinTrial Refer enabled me to be at the cutting edge of medical care of my lymphoma. Most importantly, participating in this trial saved my life, gave me the best life I've had for many, many years.